Hello YouTubers, welcome to my another episode of Arch Moto Vlog, and this is my 2007 R6 with 26,483 kilometers, and it's for sale. We have frame sliders, aftermarket levers. It has 2008 fairings on it, LED headlights. It also has a GP setup gear, one up, down the rest. Aftermarket mirrors. Actually, more are coming. I'm gonna be planning to put an exhaust tip slip on, possibly remove the catalytic converter as well. I'm planning to put some aftermarket handguards, bar ends. Also installed is trickle charger. Again, it's my 2007 Yamaha R6. It's very fast bike and ready for the season.